Hi guys, this is Cheryl. This is exercise 7 from chapter 6, and the problem says that we're looking for the cost of the ending inventory and the cost of goods under the three different costing methods. The first here, the first we'll start here. It says Jetters Company reports the following for the month of June, and it has the dates here and the explanation, the inventory purchases, and the ending inventory, and the different units that are, excuse me, that are available for each, and then the unit cost and the total cost. So we start here with the cost of the ending inventory, and we start first under the FIFO, which is first in, first out. And just a little explanation on that. It is under FIFO, companies determine the cost of the ending inventory by taking the unit cost of the most recent purchase and working backward until all units of inventory have been costed. So basically what you do is you look at the ending inventory here is 230. And so we need to go work from June 30th, and we're going to go up to June 23rd, to June 12th and June 1st if necessary. But we start here, we have 200, that is our inventory here, our purchase inventory for June 23rd. We multiply that by 7 and we come up with $1,400. And I've got a little thing here, a little formula. We have 230 of our ending minus 200 that we used, and we have 30 left. So we go 30 times the $6 of the unit cost on June 12th, and that's equal to 180. So basically you add these together and you come up with 1,580 for the cost of any inventory for FIFO. Now under LIFO, which is last in, first out, under this one here, companies obtain the cost of the ending inventory by taking the unit cost of the earliest goods available for sale and working forward until all units of inventory have been costed. So under FIFO, we work backwards. Under LIFO, we work forward. So we start here, we look at our ending inventory as 230, and we go to June 1st. We start here, under FIFO, we started at June 23rd. And then under LIFO, we start at the top at June 1st. So we have 120 times $5, that gives us $600. And then we have 230 minus 120 gives us 110 left. So we put that here, 110 times the unit cost for June 12th, which is $6. You multiply those and you come up with $660. You basically add those together and you come up with $1,260. Now under average cost, this one's a little different. This one we need to take the weighted average for our, by the average cost instead of we use the average weighted by the quantities purchased at each unit cost. So basically all I did was we take the total cost here, which is another way of saying that is the cost of goods available for sale. I put that here, 600, 2,220, 1,400. Add them all together, you have 4,220. And then we take the sum of the units on this side, which is 120 plus 370 plus 200. And that gives us a total of 690. From there we go and we do the average, the weighted average for these. So it's 4,220 divided by 690. And that gives us $6.115942, and they ask us in the directions to round average unit cost to 3 decimal places. So this becomes 6.116, and we multiply that by the unit cost which is 200, or the inventory, sorry, which is equal to 100 or $1,406.68. Now for the cost of goods sold, this is a little bit easier to find out. Under FIFO, all we do is take the total of the cost of goods available, which we found out over here. It was 4,220. We subtract the cost of the ending inventory, which is 1,580, and it's equal to 2,640. We do the same thing for LIFO, which is our ending inventory of 4,220, or I'm sorry, not the ending inventory. That is the units that we have, a total number of units, minus the what we got here for our cost of the ending inventory, and that's equal to 2,960. Same thing under average cost, 4,220 minus what we got for the cost of the ending inventory, and that gives us $2,813.32. I hope this is right. I hope this helps you guys for this week's homework number 7. If you have any questions, please let me know, and good luck with your homework. Thank you.